close to our house, but that is under renovation. So we have come up to the Airoli branch, and यहाँ पे हम बहुत सारा सी फूड which is कोंकणी and मालवनी style try करने वाले हैं. We are also going to try some Avdi cuisine and some I think Chinese ones too. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Konkan Fusion is a newly opened multi-cuisine restaurant in Airoli, and we are super excited to share this video with you guys because here we got to try some really amazing dishes. In this video we have covered some exotic Malwani seafood and some Avdi dishes, so keep watching. So guys, we have quite a lot of things here. Firstly, this is Malwani tandoori crab. It looks so vibrant and beautiful. And इसको स्मोक किया गया था and it was looking amazing. And then we have a prawn थाली जिसमें है fried prawns, prawn curry, prawn सुक्का, तांदळाची भाकरी, rice, सोलकढी and chutney. So I'm starting with the prawn थाली. These are crispy fried prawns and I am going to try this with the green chutney. Superb, they are cooked perfectly. और बाहर का कवरिंग एकदम क्रिस्पी है. रवा यूज़ किया है फ्राई करने के लिए. You can easily understand that the prawns are really fresh and juicy क्योंकि वो थोड़ा सा sweet seafood वाला flavor आ रहा है. Firstly, this prawn suka gravy looks really tempting. थोड़ा सा तरी भी है. Oh my god, just look at that gravy. I can't stop myself from salivating. बस देखते ही मुंह में पानी आ गया. Oh my god, this is really good. Authentic Malwani flavors. I think इसमें onions, tomatoes और coconut यूज़ किया है और शायद ग्रेवी को बहुत देर तक सॉटे किया है, which is why it has this beautiful creamy smooth texture. Let's try the prawn curry now. It looks slightly lighter in shade than this one. The texture is so good. Even this has an oily glaze over it. This is a bit mildly spicy और इसमें कोकोनट का इससे ज़्यादा स्वाद आ रहा है. Here is सोलकढ़ी. So इस थाली में आपको ड्राइड श्रिम्प्स भी ट्राई करने को मिलेंगे. Beautiful. I usually don't prefer dried fish, but the way this is made, it's really yummy. Overall, we found this prawn thali really amazing. It was very generous quantity wise and very aptly priced. We also have an Avdi dish over here which is called Lagan Ka Murg, and that is served with cheese kaftan, and this one is basically stuffed with ghee. So now it's time to try Lagan ka Murg with cheese taftan. Firstly, the leg piece looks so amazing. I'll first take a bite of this one. Chicken is perfectly cooked because the meat is easily falling off the bones. Let's try this with the ghee stuffed roti. No, sorry, taftan. इसका टेक्सचर बहुत सॉफ्ट है. फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम सीइंग दिस काइंड ऑफ रोटी. Cheese is my favorite thing, and this taftan with cheese is so delicious. वो जो चीज़ का सावर और सॉल्टी फ्लेवर आता है वो है इसमें, एंड टेक्सचर तो अच्छा है ही, आप देख सकते हो. ग्रेवी के ऊपर पोटैटो सलिया भी डाली है, एंड लेट मी ट्राई देम टुगेदर विद द चिकन एंड द ग्रेवी. Surprisingly, potato and chicken go really well together. Overall, this gravy is a flavor bomb. मतलब tangy, सही amount of नमक डाला है, and it has a beautiful velvety texture. This looks like a very royal and rich food. Of course, it's Avdi cuisine and it has to be royal. So this is perfect. If you come here, you should definitely try this.
Next up here is the most attractive dish of the day, the Malwani Tandoori Crab. And this is how it was made. The entire crab was beautifully coated with a Malwani marinade and then put into the tandoor for cooking. The tandoori crab was garnished with some coriander and served with a mint chutney and a slice of lemon. After this, the crab was smoked to enhance the tandoori flavor and add some drama to the dish. Mistakenly, our mic was loosely plugged and we couldn't capture any audio for this clip, so I'll be giving the voiceover. So basically, Abhijit was talking about how awkward it is to try crabs, especially for the first time when you don't know how to eat it. But if you are a seafood lover, you must definitely go for it. It's worth trying for. The Malwani Tandoori Crab was entirely made in front of our eyes and it really looked so tempting. The restaurant will be providing you a crab cutter, so you do not have to worry about breaking the crab. It was an absolute mess, but at the same time, it is so much fun. All you have to do is put up the bulkiest part into the crab cutter and press it hard. Once broken, the crab shells will reveal the beautiful crab meat, and in this one it had a tandoori flavor as well. The crab meat was absolutely fresh, juicy, and had a beautiful seafood flavor. It was very succulent and tender as well, so all the struggle actually pays off at the end. And just in case you do not want to break it by yourself, you can take the help of the staff. They'll help you with the entire process and you'll be ready to eat the flesh right away. Overall, the Malwani Tandoori Crab totally lived up to our expectations and it is a must-try dish at this restaurant.
So now I am going to try this Malwani Tandoori Crab and मैंने help लिया staff से to get the crab broken and let's try. The crab flesh is so good, sweet flavor है उसका. I think इसके लिए आपको separate वीडियो देखना पड़ेगा कि crab ठीक तरह से कैसे खाते हैं.
हमें भी सीखना पड़ेगा.
Because we are literally struggling.
Yes. ब्रेकफास्ट झाला नाही आहे.
जरा तोड़ो.
ये तोड़ के लिए
जरा तोड़ो.
तो कुछ क्रैब मीट के साथ थोड़ा तंदूरी मसाला.
मैं डाउन होते जा रहे तो मैं
अब भी प्रॉपर फ्लेवर आया क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेश मिला. इट्स सो गुड.
After this, we had the grilled chicken Lahori sizzler and this is how it was made. Even this was an Avdi dish, so all the elements that went into the sizzler were cooked in royal Lucknowi style. For the first time, we saw how a sizzler is made, and visually it looked really stunning.
So here we have grilled chicken Lahori sizzler, and इसमें है grilled chicken, rice, potato wedges, and mushroom skewers, and we also have a gravy. For the first time I'm trying some Indian style sizzler. अब तक बस Oriental या फिर Italian style किया है. So let's taste this.
All the elements of this sizzler, including the tandoori, had a lovely smoky flavor.
This grilled chicken almost tastes like tandoori और काफ़ी अच्छी तरह से पका हुआ है. It's juicy and succulent. And this is देसी लाहौरी ग्रेवी. अभी जो पीछे वाले डिशेस में जो ट्राई किया था उससे थोड़ी अलग टेस्ट है. The quantity of the sizzler is quite generous for 2 people. Like you have 2 pretty big pieces of chicken, enough amount of rice, and the stewed vegetables and potato. And this is a complete meal in itself.
After those amazing starters and main courses, it was time for some dessert.
So last but not the least, I am trying the dessert, and this is Konkani gulab jamun. And normally
कोंकणी जामुन.
only jamun, sorry. Normally ये शुगर सिरप में डिप होता है, but this jamun is dipped in coconut water. Coconut milk. बढ़िया है.
कशी आहे टेस्ट?
बेस्ट आहे. म्हणजे हे कॉम्बिनेशन तर एकदम बेस्ट वाटलं. कोकोनट मिल्क सोबत गुलाबजामुन.
मला पण टेस्ट खायला.
डेफिनेटली ट्राय.
At this moment, we were completely stuffed but fully satisfied. And now let me give you a glimpse of its ambience. Both the interiors and exteriors are beautifully designed by taking into consideration how authentic Malwani houses are made. But it also has a decent modern touch. There is a seating area on 2 floors and it has around 8 to 10 tables.
Thank you for visiting Kokon Fusion Airoli. This is our second branch in the area of the Navi Mumbai. The first we are handling the operation into the Kalwa, and we are specially focusing on the seafood varieties in lobster, jumbo crab, pomfret, and then calamari. All that. At the same time, we are giving the best quality of the food in the region of the Maharashtra, that is in the area of Sindhudurga, and we are also focusing on the Audi cuisine and some specialty desserts which is from the European. Into it we are serving like the sizzler brownie, then one of the like lava brownie, and many more are going to come into the coming months.
हॅलो. हाय एव्हरीवन. मी शेफ सोनाली राणे, शेफ स्वप्नील. वाटेल. एकदा या आणखीन आम्हालाही सांगा.
मराठमोळी परंपरा
हां
तुमच्या आमच्यासाठी सगळ्यांसाठी.
हां
तुम्ही पुन्हा एकदा आणि पुन्हा पुन्हा विजिट करा कोकण पूजन एरोली.
So guys, that was it for today's video. We had such an amazing time and we are so full right now. हमने थोड़ा सा बचा हुआ पार्सल भी ले लिया है because we did not want it to waste the food. So you guys should definitely come here. The food here is so delicious and so
And the
amazing.
service is really commendable.
Yes.
And we really love being here and spending time over here. We were almost 5 hours over here and it was such an amazing time, definitely. So yeah, that's it for the day. Please subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload new vlogs. And definitely we will upload new vlogs every week. Stay tuned. Happy Diwali in advance. Bye bye.
Bye.